My name is Andreas Frölich, and I'm the founder and CEO of Horizon Microtechnologies. We're all about making functional precision 3D microparts by 3D printing at the microscale and coating functional materials. We can serve the needs of customers in the electronics space, in the testing space, sometimes in the aerospace industry, and we're also looking at applications and customers in the medical regime. We bridge the gap between polymer parts, which are good for 3D printing, but at the same time, they sometimes lack functionality, which we can then add to the parts with our coatings. We partnered with BMF for the initial products we have, and now we have bought a BMF printer because those machines address a sweet spot in terms of precision, throughput, and process stability, which is brand new on the market and which really no other technology addresses in exactly that trade-off. With the 3D printing technology, which is as repeatable as the one that you can have from a BMF machine, after having developed the printing process for a part, you can rely on it delivering repeatably and stable. The development that the 3D printing technologies have taken in the last 10 to 15 years is really exciting. It becomes commercially relevant for precision applications and for miniature applications where you just need to squeeze out every bit of feature size or resolution out of the print process, and at the same time you can now serve markets that have a need for more than just one part. Somebody said the sweet spot is somewhere between 100 to 10,000 parts, of which should be identical, and I think in the miniature regime this is exactly where 3D printing has arrived now.